Good afternoon, everyone. Lionel from the Waimea Tool Company. We're going to be fixing a 15 gauge wire fence today that's broken. You can see it here. But only wire we have here is some 14 gauge high tensile wire. But with the splicer, this is no problem. We can splice it together using the 14 to the 15 gauge. Okay, let's get started. Okay, right here, first we'll attach our wire that we're going to use using our nylon covers on a regular standard long nose vice grip, a 9-inch. We'll put it there. Use our splicer. So our splicer's got a notch in there. Just get that right in the notch. Then we can either turn it by hand here or just use the vice grip for leverage. And just hold it steady. Okay, so it approaches the barb, just pull it out there. Yeah, just give it a little half turn just so we can get it back into the splicer. Finish up our wraps. Now we're just going to go until the wire slips. Slip there. Got our wraps right there. Now we'll do the other side. The other side, I'll just remove our vice grip. Bring it over to this side. Clamp it down here. There's a nice grip there. There we go. Put our splicer back up. Put our wire in that notch area. Pull it down. Tighten if we want, using the thumb screw on the bottom. Then use the leverage, the long nose vice grip. Especially with 14 gauge high tensile wire, you know how stiff that wire can get. Okay. Hit our spot there. Our barb. Just back it off. Oh, drop that. Oh, shucks. Back on. Oh, again, locking it in there. And we're just going to do our turns until we get to slip again. Slips. There we go. Slip. Got our wraps. As you can see, a lot of good 14 gauge wraps there. Now at this point, what I'm going to do, just to show you folks that it'll hold. We only got half the wraps, but because we're using 14 gauge wire, it'll hold, no problem. And at this point, you don't want cows running into it because you only got half your Western Union splice, but wrapping it, it'll be okay. Okay, so this guy off. Put this down here. Now we don't need all of this wire here. Just 1.5 would be enough. Cut that off. Down. And this one, 1.5 also. Put it down. Just to show you again that it's holding, but we're gonna have to put our vice grip back on so we can finish up our wraps. Okay, pull it out. Put our 15 gauge in now. And this was really fast. The wire slipped in. Back it up. A little turn there. Okay. Back in. Again, go till it slips. There we go. Slip there. There we go. Take our vice grip off. Finish up our last wrap. There we go.